Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we are going to be talking about storage in the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. To be straight up and honest with you, there's not much storage in the Trailhunter. We got the battery under the rear passenger seat on one side. On the passenger side, you've got the hybrid electronics. And there's not much storage behind the seats either. Let me show you what I did. So what I did is I got a Rome 83L storage case and I mounted it on my Billie Bars. I was seriously thinking about going with a deck system for a 6-foot bed. The problem with the deck system is that if you have a DC output or USB-C or an air compressor over here like this, they want you to take this lid, flip it upside down and drill a hole in it. That's not acceptable. I'm not doing that. So I racked my brain out about storage ideas, and the answer was staring me right in my face. Billie Bars. They have the M8 hardware kit available on their website, and I got this Rome case off Amazon, and essentially I drilled 4 holes in it. I've got it mounted to my Billie Bars with their M8 hardware kit, and it's mounted, so it ain't going nowhere. It's versatile. If I need to take it off and put a rooftop tent up there, I can. Just unmount it, throw it back here, and I've got a rooftop tent. So it is lockable, it's airtight, waterproof, and you can't beat it. So let me show you how I installed this. It's not difficult at all, and it has taken care of all of my storage problems, and it's tough as nails. All right, you're going to need a drill with a 5/8 inch drill bit, a tape measure, and a number 5 Allen wrench. So let's unbox this Rome 83L case and see what we got. This is definitely a heavy duty case, there's no doubt about it. And it's like a bottle opener. Might need to get some more locks. I like these Max Trax traction board locks here. I might take one of those and lock it up. For now anyway. Let's open this up and let's see what we got in here. That's nice, that'll be plenty of room. I know they make a organizer you can put up here for a molly panel, and this would be good. The only thing is we are going to have to drill some holes through here. It's probably going to be along these lines here, and because we're going to mount it up here on the Billie Bars. This is a pretty big case, lots of room. This is an airtight compartment and there's a suffocation risk. So boys, girls, don't get in here. All right, so to install it mounted on Billie Bars, you're going to need their M8 hardware kit. So you got 4 screws. So we are going to have to drill 2 screws probably over in here and over in here, and keep it in line. And we are going to measure to see what the distance is in Billie Bars from right here to here. So let's see, let's mount it on the outer edges here, and that is 21.5 inches even. So 21.5. So probably right here is where it's looking. Here you can see I've got 5/8 on there. I'm just going to use this because that's what I got, and it's not going to take much effort to get through. So let's mark our holes. So I'm going to mark a hole here, there, right. Now let's just do it again. 21.5 up here. There, right. Let's mark it, and right there. Make sure that's lined up. Yeah. And you can see I've got a 5/8 inch drill. It comes right here. So this is best I had for 5/8 because it is kind of big. So, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to start drilling holes. Place the Billie Bar components that came with your M8 hardware kit down the slots of the Billie Bars where we measured from. Just so I can get this lined up a little easier. And you can see that's where we want it. We want it over here. So let's get these lined up accordingly. Let's find the first one. There they are. Let's get that lined up. Let's get this other side lined up. Went up too far. Get back some. Get them adjusted right. That is lining up for me. Now let's see how this is going to work. Let's mount the Rome case to the Billie Bars with the M8 hardware kit. You'll need a number 5 Allen wrench. I was thinking about using rubber grommets for the holes, but the M8 screws weren't long enough for the Billie Bars, so I had to chuck that idea. I used some large M8 washers that I got at my local hardware store to cover the entire area of the holes I drilled. I may head back to the hardware store and get some longer M8 screws to use with the grommets. I was worried about leaks, but after several storms and heavy rain, I've had no leaks, so I may leave it as it is. So let me demonstrate how much you can actually fit in this. Let's open this up, and you can see it can fit quite a bit. And the great thing is, if I need more storage, I'll just get another Roam box. There's plenty of room on the Billie Bars. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.